Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to work with the assignment templates. So let's go, just jump right there. Let's create a new folder. Let's call it assignment, right? So now here, let's create a new file. Let's call it new assignment.html. Here I'm going to, let's go quiz. I'm going to copy this new quiz here and then paste it here. This one, let me call it, let's create a new assignment. And we'll have that. That's the title. Let's put the, we need the, let's copy this one. Paste it here. There we go. It's really quick here. Oh, we don't need that form thing. Okay, let's put here files and then this input. Okay. All right. Okay, so this input here, we put form.files. Done. Okay, we get the title, and then this one, it's content. And then here, let's leave it there, the do. Here, let's put the points. And that's it. I think that's it. Let me check. Title, content, points, do file. Okay. Okay. So we need to, this one goes points. Points. Create new assignment. Okay. Okay, that was easy. So that's for the assignment. Now let's create the assignment detail. Save assignment HTML. This one, let's go to quiz detail. All right, let's copy this one. Let's copy, paste it here. Here, let's put the assignment title. And let's put the assignment due here. The assignment points. I need to delete that one. Here, let's put content and assignment. And then points. Okay. Put 6 and 6. Okay, so now let's go down here. Let's put a, let me see, page. So in the page, we can just copy this one. Just copy this one in the front page. Let's paste it here. So this one we can name files in this assignment. So put for file in assignment that files that all. Here we put file, and then we can just download the file, right? Perfect. So now here let's put my attempt. So but let's let me see, for submission in, if you go to the views, it will be my submissions. I just copy this one, my submissions. So here we put assignment detail, and then the assignment details is the course module, and then assignment and course module, and then we don't need to let me check, because we don't need to see the because this is the assignment. So let me check. Collection header. Let's do this. Collection header. Let me see. Collections. Let me just put the collection item avatar. Here we're going to put a delete. Now realize that we can just put like your, let me see, because we don't need to see the detail of that assignment. I mean, of the attempt or submission, right? We don't need to put a picture. Let's put an icon first. Better. Put into chart. So here, let's put the user. So it'll be submission dot user. Then let's get the full name, right? Get full name. And then here we can put the comment, right? Submission dot comment. And then another paragraph here. We can put the submission that, let me see, we got date. Yes. We can put, oops. Submit it on just like that. Okay, and then we can just create a view for it, like deleting that that submission, just in case the user wants to, like, oh, I didn't want to submit that. Okay, so now here we need to the URL. Let me check. start assignment. And start assignment takes course ID. Let me see. Okay. Course ID, module ID, and the assignment.id. Here, let's put start assignment. Okay, so that's for the assignment detail. Right? Let's close that one. And let's create a new, oops. Here in the assignment, let's create a new file. Right? This one will be submit assignment.html. Okay, let's copy assignment here. Let's copy all of that. Paste it here. So this is for the submit assignment. So we don't need that. Okay. Here, let's create a form. Let me take the quiz. Take a quiz. We can copy the quiz. This part of the quiz. Let's copy. Paste it here. Let's get rid of action. This action thing. Let's get rid of that. And we need to add all entity type. We need to put multi-part form data. Okay. We got the token. Here, let's get this button here. Place on the file. Form file. That's for the, this one is for the file. Now we need the comment. Let's copy this one. Here we need to, oops, put comment. Okay. And oh, we forgot the, we need, let's put these two there. Okay. Put here, submit. Okay. Great. Yes. Okay, this one is for the submit assignment. Let's save that. Now let's create a new view. So we got the tree that we need for the assignment, right? For our three views here. Now we need to work with the with this chunk. Sorry, we need to work with these three views that we created: the submissions, and then student submissions, and the grading submission. And we'll see that in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.